Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to continue with VA Smalltalk in the command line and go over how you might manage to read command line arguments you're passing in for your own purposes. So here I have set up a command line, -IABT, which is just going to start up the default image, but then -K700. There is no default -K option for VA Smalltalk. It's not going to make any sense of that. I'm passing that in theoretically for my own purposes for some application. So I start that up, go through that. Now at this point, the image is up. Now how do I retrieve that command line and do something useful with it? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a workspace so that you can see what I'm doing. System command line. If I have this command and I execute that, let's inspect it and see what the results are. You'll see this gives me back the entire command line as a set of array elements. So the first one is of course this. Then I have -I, the image, -K, which is the argument I was passing, and then 700. Now you can see how it would be relatively easy to write code of your own to go ahead and parse this and look for your own arguments, and then look for the arguments themselves as well as the argument name. So the -K is the argument, 700 is the value. I could then do something useful with that in my application. So it's pretty easy to add command line arguments to a VA Smalltalk system and then do some handling in the image, because you can see that writing the kind of parsing code to handle this array is pretty simple and straightforward. All you have to know is the system command line is what you have to do to get that back. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.